Alright guys, I'm out here at my blind, or where my blind was. It was right there. Now it's way over there, collapsed in the woods. And I'm out here getting it. So I'm out here on a recovery mission with my grandpa and my dad. I brought the crossbow with me. And I have 2 chairs, and I have to dig under all this snow to find the bag and everything that was with it. It's gonna be horrible. But my dad and my grandpa are walking down the pipeline to go get my dad's blind, I believe. And then I'm supposed to put my blind back in the bag, go back up the trail, drop my blind off, and walk right back down to them to help them carry it out. Because I don't know if you guys seen in one of my other videos, but my grandpa's blind is big. I'm gonna walk over here and get my blind and put it back in the bag. Right here's where my blind was. I got my chair, my crossbow, and my orange, and it blew in the wind all the way over there. This is gonna be harder than I thought. So guys, I don't know if I'm gonna see any deer now because dragging this thing out, it was really loud. I'm gonna brush the snow off. Literally just solid ice. You guys gotta see this. It's literally solid ice. Like chunks of just pure ice. Just stuck to this thing. So I think it filled the edges with rain in the top. I think the rain froze. I think it filled the edges with rain on the top. Then the rain froze, and then I think it just turned into ice. I have an idea. My grandpa put a hammer in my backpack. I'm gonna grab it. It's kinda, support beams are kinda broken. Well, they're like really broken. There's holes in the blind. So I think next year we might just be sitting on the ground, guys. Or in a tree stand. Who knows? Shout out to my uncle. He was nice enough to let me use his tree stand. There's no hope for that blind anyways. There's my chair. So as you guys see, I'm kind of really loaded up with stuff. I have to walk about 200 yards or so. And then I'm gonna drop all this stuff off besides the crossbow. And my trail camera, guys. I got a new trail camera for Christmas from my grandpa. And it's gonna be fun setting this thing up because it's just like freezing rain. Kind of a pause right now, which is why I wanted to walk here. So I'd not get stuck in all the rain. After going down to my grandpa's blind, they already had it taken down when I got down there, so I just went up to my dad's blind. We took it down together, and it was frozen to the ground. It took us a while, but then we went up to the van, got everything loaded in, got it unloaded at the house, and then we went hunting the next day. So guys, it's already daylight outside, just about. It's right now. It's already daylight outside, just about. And, not at my stand yet. Why, you may ask? Well, the reason is my alarm on my phone didn't go off this morning. It just vibrated. It didn't make any sound. I don't know why. So, I'm out. It's the second day of late gun season slash archery muzzleloader. So, walking down, I'll probably sit about where hunters sat in rifle season. Some of my other videos, I'll probably sit there. Like I have a chair, unfold and sit down. As you can hear, it's pretty crunchy. So I'll go down there and hopefully I'll load up when I get down there because I don't want to fall and have my arrow go off or anything. My grandpa's bringing his gun, his rifle, but the problem, I was thinking about it, but the problem is you can only shoot a doe, you can't shoot a buck with a rifle. So I'm gonna walk down to the stand and hopefully we'll see something. I heard some turkey. I don't have any calls or anything, so we'll see what happens. As you guys can see, I'm setting my camera up as soon as I got to my spot. Well, it's probably like 15 minutes after I got to my spot. But I sat it up because I thought I heard something walking in the direction I'm looking, as you guys can see right now. But I thought I heard something, so I turned my camera on, I look, and there's nothing. So I look the other way, and you'll be surprised on what happens. At this point, I see a deer about 15 yards away from me, just standing there, staring at me. And I was being stupid and looking in the opposite direction of the actual deer. So as you can see, I'm reaching for my crossbow. But by the time I got my crossbow up, it eventually ran away and then comes back on later in the video. Staring at me. It's a doe, maybe a spike. Look kind of like a spike, but it's just standing there, and I heard a grunt call. It was like a very faint grunt call. So I think there's a buck somewhere around here. Somewhere close. So I'm gonna see if you guys can see the deer or not from where you guys are sitting. still sitting down there, down the hill somewhere. I don't really see it anymore. But it could come back up. Or I was hoping something was following it. But we'll see if we see anything. Alright guys, I'm back at the truck now. I went down to my camera and got my card. We'll see if there's anything on it. Got the SD card out of it. We'll check it out on the computer. But I did see 2 deer. I think it might have been 1 because I think it went up the hill and then came back down. The one you guys saw. There was one just coming down the hill super fast. And it was like 150 yards away, so obviously can't shoot at that with a crossbow. But hopefully we see something Monday, maybe. If I end up going Monday. If not, we'll get them another day. But we'll check out the camera back at home.